So up until this point, all we've been doing is having one server event object per behavior. For example, over here I have one server event for my click. But it's also possible to have a click that holds multiple events. And I'm going to do that by combining previous examples, this one with the alert, and the one that changed the text and the left from before. So I'll just copy this and then undo to the previous example that I had. Here it is. And add this one back. Now, if I leave it the way it is, this will say that the click is the greet function, and then it'll override the click and say that it's still system alert, because the click has now been set to something else. It's as though I've set the text to one thing, then I've set it to something else. Only the latest one will be the visual change. So if I run this, I'll only be able to see the alert. Alert. So what I want to do is not override where the click is, but add to it. And the way that you do that is that you use the same notation the one would use to add to an array. In other words, you can think of events as being like arrays. And this is how you append to an array. You just use square brackets. You could index them. For example, I could say third index and so on. But if you leave the inside of the square brackets empty, then it just appends to an array. That's just standard PHP syntax, which you can learn about from the PHP manual. If I were to run this now, I expect to see both the change and then the alert in that order. Had I done it the other way around, I would be able to see the alert and then the change take place. Let's see both. The alert, and there's the change.